Yes! Oh, for Pete's sake. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you. Isn't that beautiful? This, pals and gals, is a Lovelace card called Animated Background, and it is beautiful. And I want you all to enjoy it. So the way it works is it takes the input from some sensor. By default, it's dark sky, so maybe we'll have to change that. But it takes the state of that sensor, and based on the state of that sensor, it puts in a animated background. Let me show you the raw config part of this. It goes up here at the top, kind of like custom header. Whenever weather.darksky is in one of these states, it references these HTML files. But here in my www folder, I've got a new folder called background animations. And then here are those HTML files. It changes from time to time. I don't know if it changes every time. Yeah, look at that. It changes like every time you refresh. I don't know where these pictures come from, but it's flipping awesome. Isn't that cool? So this is just the sunny one. So let's walk through it. I'm going to suggest that hopefully everybody is doing HACS and you've got HACS installed. I guess if you don't, it's not that big a deal. You just have to take these files out of here and install them yourself. It's amazing. What? Thank you, Yolk. That's fantastic.
Big thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. A lot of my favorite projects use custom PCBs, like the BH Onofre, all of the Quinn LED boards, and the HA switch plate. Ordering from PCBWay is pretty easy, and they're always running some kind of special, so you can be pretty sure that you're getting a good deal. They deliver fast, but most importantly, it's good quality stuff. So if you've got a project that needs custom PCBs, check out PCBWay.
Okay, so installation method number one, if you're an old-fashioned manual kind of fella, you can do it that way. You download his files, the animated-background.js, and you put it in the right place, and then you just have to put this in your UI Lovelace if you do it that way. But I think hopefully most of us are doing HACS these days. Okay, now we go to HACS. So here we go. We're going to HACS, Community Store. And it's in here under plugins. You can just search for animated. I believe it's the only one. Oh no, I'm sorry. There's a couple of them. This one, Lovelace Animated Background. So you just click install. You'll want to add this to your Lovelace dashboard page, I guess. So once you install this, you're going to go here, you're going to copy this guy, you're going to go to the configuration, yes, Lovelace dashboards, yes. You want resources, there you go. Resources, and then plus, and then you paste that in there. We should be able to find mine already. There it is. I just grabbed the one that was here, pasted it in, and then it's module type. It asks you, what type, you just put module. And that's it, and create that. Okay. The next thing you have to do is actually download the cool files, these HTML files that make this background. So download the whole thing. Download this zip file. Open it up. Inside of it, you're going to have this background animations folder. Just grab that whole folder and put it in your www folder. Oh, that's not going to work anyways. Configuration. www, and then I just did that. I pasted it there. You just have to, you can change the name of the folder or whatever. You just have to make sure that if you do change the name of the folder and you change the path to those files, that you update the Lovelace part we're going to do here in just a second. So these are the files. We'll open them up in a minute. And then next thing you have to do to actually get it to work is to go to your overview. Go into your configure UI and raw config editor. And then there's an example right here. Let's use this one. So everything above title. So title you already have, right? If you go back to your overview, you've got title and it's something, and then you start all your views. So you grab everything above title, all this stuff. You don't need resources either anymore, because like he says right here, if you're using version 1.108, then resources configured in that Lovelace resources place. We just pasted that URL in that other spot. So you just need everything between animated background and title. So grab all that and then paste it in your overview. Now, so that's what I did right here. But the difference, you'll notice, is I have a different folder name. His folders, he's got it in community plugin, Lovelace animated background, background animations. That's where he put his. Okay. Since I put mine in the www folder, which is actually the way he talked about doing it up here, I just changed the path. So you can put them wherever you want. Just make sure that this path and all these paths match. And you can see what I did too. I added rainy and I just copied the mostly cloudy HTML path. Okay, so we're going to save that. Most likely, if you're going to have a problem, I would guess it's going to be with the path. Oh, the other thing that I forgot to mention is he also, he being Wilhelm, he had a line in his about include users. If you didn't take that out, then, and you're not Wilhelm, it's not going to work. So if you did this, it's going to think, well, I'm only going to put this up when Wilhelm is the user. So take that out or put your name in there instead of Wilhelm, and then it should work maybe. I just took it out because I want it to work for every user. And that's it. You may need to refresh to get it to really go. And then beautiful. And this changes every once in a while. I don't think it changes every time you refresh, but it definitely changes frequently. Oh yeah, it does change every time you refresh. Freaking beautiful. Don't touch your face, amigo. Don't touch your face. Okay, so there you go. Has anybody followed along there and run into any troubles? Because if you did, I want to show you. I want to help. So now let's investigate. So those of you who know HTML, which I assume is probably several of you, right? Let's go inside one of these. Let's pick Sunny. If I just click on it, it's going to open it up in Chrome. I want to open it with Visual Studio Code. I guess it's referencing these, right? So I suppose right here you could put in anything you want, right? I want to go look at this out there on the webs. Okay, so that's it. It's a 4-second long MP4 file. But each one of these is a different something, right? So I could just put a new one in for those. So those HTML files download content. Yes. Well, you can do local. Let's do local. Anyways, just download this. You can do that. And then just keep it in a local place. And then just change this to wherever you put it locally, right? Oh, I probably do need the MP4 extension. Thanks, Mark. Good thing I was reading the chat. Okay, let's save that. Let's go back here. And so we're going to cycle through this, and it's going to eventually come up with Creative's little dancing guy. Oh, no funciona. It didn't work. It went back to the beginning. Oh, no, here it is. So there it is. Look at that. That's my own MP4 in there. Woo! Oh, and it just keeps going. It just loops. It just keeps looping. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is so awesome. And then one more time, it's going to do Creative's little dancing squirrel. Here we go. Ah. Oh man, I don't want it to be random. I want it to be the one I want. Stop being random. There it is. There it is. Yes. Oh my gosh, that is the best. Time for a new intro page. Time for a new intro page, Creative. You a genius. That is so cool. Yeah. That is too good. Too good. Okay, now we're finished, right? How do you make your button background transparent? These, it's part of the theme. So when you select a theme, like this one is also a Creative theme, which is blue, and transparency is part of it. MP4 also works on iPhone app, but not on iPad app. All right, I'm gonna open up the app on the phone and just see what happens. Oh yeah, it's working. Can you see it? That is my favorite Lovelace thing ever so far. Favorite thing ever. Look what we got.
Oh my.
Isn't that cool? This is the new sign-off screen. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's sick. Yes!
Today we're going to sign off like what?
Monsters.
Like monsters. Okay. Ready?
As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, adios.
Adios.
We had a zombie. I was like a werewolf. What were you?
Me?
You were you?
No, I was you.
You were me.
I was you when you were talking.
Okay. If you need help or want to chat with me or others who also enjoy projects like this, you can find us on Facebook and Discord. If you like what I'm doing and you want to support me, you can use my special product links in the video description, or head over to Patreon, or just like and share my videos. That's easy. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, this box will take you to a playlist of some of my favorites. In addition to videos like this, I also do live streams every Sunday. This box will take you to a recording of the latest live stream. That's all for now. Adios.